Kan Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex kalaphu daki rong kirup badaki bor jing shai ba Phyrnai badaka jing pli renti kidukan ba pher badaka jing wan rung wan mi ki brew ban sakhi yaka Christmas Shopping Carnival yaka bala penlong daka Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex harangkat ka jinga trailang badaka GNC Store badaka Friends of Women's World Banking kani ka Christmas Shopping Carnival kan long sansngi yaka bala yo ban pli Paidbah menta kasngi khan rio tarik nopra bat an penkut haka ar phau tarik nopra ar Hajar ar kusan ya kate ka yo kabala tep kum ka Christmas Shopping Carnival lawan ban pli Paidbah daka kong rona khamdet MDC Nongpoh ha ka jingdan lang u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi u Abhilash Baranwal IAS ka kong B Rani ADC Ribhoi I Marak Assistant Commissioner lambat kiwe Kajing temu ban penlong ya kanika Christmas Shopping Carnival kalong ban penphu ban phieng ya kanika shopping complex bat ban ai man sim ya ki basyong dukan hapo kanika building bakin play man kasngi bat hagaju kapor kajing temu jong kanika shopping carnival kadi ban khring ru ya ki Paidbah bakin wan rong shapo kanika complex.
So much for accepting.
Shopping complex ka jogi ka kam kita nak buka bani ka muda complex ka badon ka bot Shillong. Pimenjur ya kata don pimenjur. Nasupo pilawak bandi kita wan ban tiar lawak ya ban tiar Christmas ngau lawak bandi ban pek sakitiar ayu ban pindi dengan kasihan ka bamentah anom Islam. Saya siap pak na ai ka jin tublai ya jin ki berok away ya ini ba don ibaya collaborate lang na Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex sama Asia magane ko World Banking ni kan ya rap na benda ki long ni ki jogi ba ki yo by step by that ba ni la ban yang hala ki jogi jan dan kalian ka jona sa siap pak na ai tublai ki program ya di Nong Shopping ya di Nong Wan Tip ba kunjuru ya baru ibaya don bertalang hanya Nongpoh Shopping Carnival makanya yang Carnival kejongi kan long bajok kan air yang profit nak benda di Nongshong bukan kan air jimun nak benda di bawah ban shop apa jom kan dia Carnival kejongi ke baru menyap yang lang yang kemelang dan mereka yo apa sistem lain penai ada sistem Phyrnai nak kemen panggil non-stop kan ini lala yang mulai kejongi jak ngano on nanti kan license la dan perlu ya ka sausin na ka sistem lu at para kan ai jin toy ya di Nongshong yo ki jori ya di ki try kan di bala le Shillong ban terbit ban ibu ipin tenuan do ya kan ka shopping complex ka sorka kala le hashi ka te ka ai ni ka kan ka building lengin nong ya ka in utilize ya ka ruang ka pete ma te tan la ki ki
Why? Because, for example, when children are small, they cling to their parents. But when children become independent, they do not want to be seen with their parents, right? Because it ashames them. They feel embarrassed. So similarly, we can today say that Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Owners Association, they have become independent. because, madam, for last 1.5 years, they have been clinging to us, to the administration, that please do this for us, please do that for us. But today, in this program, as you can see, there is nobody from the association. So it only goes on to show that the association has become independent. And it's a proud day for us, isn't it? And so I request my ADC that we will withdraw ourselves to mostly administrative and regulatory matters, and things like carnivals and all from next time will have to be organized by the association themselves. So administration will not step in, especially given the fact that today hardly there is anyone from the association, and clearly they are hardly taking any interest in today's function. So, I mean, I see it in a positive light that they have become independent. They feel confident enough that they do not need administrative support, they do not need community leadership support for functions like these. But then today is an auspicious day, and I congratulate my ADC, her team, for successfully organizing this carnival yet again, and I hope that the